Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to talk to soldiers who are looking for a business opportunity that they can actually start despite being in the military position. Now, as a soldier, I understand some of the challenges you might be going through or you must be facing before you actually join or start a business. For example, when you come to translating military skills to civilian jobs, you are going to realize that they are very different based on your training. Also, it could be based on maybe sometime to start for you to start a business. It could be based on maybe cultural adjustments or even the education and the training you have, the entrepreneurship challenges, and even the family or social support. You might not be having that, and then you keep on asking yourself, what kind of business can I start, or can I actually start a business and get to succeed? And that's why in this video I have prepared for you one of the best business model that you can actually start as a soldier and you get to succeed. So if you want to know more details, everything about this business, I want you to stay up to the end of this video for you to understand everything in detail. As I start, you may go through different challenges starting your own business, and that's why I want to share with you how you can transform your skills in military as a soldier into venturing in network marketing business. Because what you just need to do is to learn on how network marketing business is done, the basic skills and the training you need to have for you to succeed in network marketing. So I'm going to share with you the 9 benefits or the 9 advantages you have for you to succeed in network marketing for being a soldier or for being a person in military position. Number 1, when it comes to being a soldier, discipline and time management is the key for you to actually succeed in your career. So when it comes to this business, when you are going to set your goals, you are going to follow the trainings, you are going to follow the teaching, the coaching that you have in network marketing, then why should you not succeed? Because already you are disciplined enough to actually set your own goals and get to achieve them or do as you are required. So in business, if you get that skill or you discipline yourself that I'm going to manage my time, I'm going to follow certain rules, I'm going to follow certain steps, certain skills, then you have a guarantee that you are going to succeed. Number 2, for you to succeed in any kind of business, you need to have that leadership and team building mindset. For example, being a leader, you have a role to help other people in building their teams, in building their relationships, in building in their activities, and you actually become an inspiration to other people because you have already set your standards, you have already set your goals, and you are leading them by showing the examples and the activity they are supposed to do. So you are going to succeed in this business because already that leadership and team building is within you. You have been trained and you know what you are supposed to do and what you are not supposed to do at any given time. But 3 reasons why you can succeed in network marketing business is based on communication skills. As a soldier, you are trained to deliver communication either by giving orders, reporting, or coordinating with other colleagues. Therefore, effective communication in network marketing is going to help you in terms of presenting and explaining the business to every person who will be interested or who will want to know this business. So when it comes to the business plan, building relationship with other clients or with the other people, you have a chance to deliver very well because already you know what to say, you know how to say it, and you know at what point or what are you not supposed to say. So communication skills as one of the basic need in succeeding in network marketing is very ideal for you as a soldier because you know the skills, you know how you are supposed to communicate with the clients, you know how you are supposed to maintain your customer base, you know how you are supposed to relate with the other team or other people who will be within your circle or within the business business committee. So it's not about just talking anyhow. No, you have to follow the steps, you have to follow what you are supposed to say to different people when it comes to presentation or talking to them. Number 4, it is perseverance and resilience. When it comes to building a business, you as a soldier, you need to have the traits that keeps you motivated despite the challenges or the obstacles that you meet on daily basis, because you need to keep on pursuing your goals despite the despite some of the rejection that you are going to meet, because every business guy or every business person is going to tell you that every business need you to be consistent, need you to learn the skills, and need you to actually pursue your dreams without giving up. So as a soldier, you'll be trained on how to endure perseverance, on how to endure resilience, and how to actually withstand all the challenges that comes with them your career. So in building this business, you are going to succeed because already that skills is within you. You don't need to be pushed, you don't need to be inspired. What you just need is to take action and expect or get a guaranteed results. Number 5 thing that can make you to succeed in network marketing business as a soldier is based on trust and relationship. Because as a soldier, trust is a cornerstone in military, because this is where you rely on each other, or this is where you rely on every information that comes from your friend or your colleague, because whatever your friend is telling you must be a reliable information or must be something that is based on trust, because that is what you need to conquer maybe your enemy or to proceed to the next level. So when it comes to network marketing business, building trust with the clients, building trust with the people you are talking with, building trust with your team members is a key element in succeeding, because this is where you share information that is very vital. If you are going to give false information, if you are going to train people things that is not required, then they're not going to succeed. So having that level of trusty, that level of saying talking relevant information is very key in all of you and you in succeeding in this team. Number 6 is, if you love traveling, you love lifestyle, then this business is ideal for you. Now, why am I talking about traveling and lifestyle? Maybe look at the nature of your work, or how you conduct yourself during the training. You're supposed to have that time to relieve your mind, to have that stress free. And if you are in network marketing business, then traveling and lifestyle will become part of you. This is a business model where you're going to find out that you build it by relationship, and maybe someone can join your team from a different country or different region, and time will come, you are supposed to train these people, you're supposed to meet these people, you're supposed to show them how the business is done. So by getting to these people, it could be maybe you have to travel there either by plane or by sea or even by train. So traveling, lifestyle, meeting new people, going to different places, going to be part of you as you keep on building your system. Last benefit of joining a network marketing is you have a chance to earn an extra income. Now, you are on a payroll, or you are on a salary. So if you are going to build this business, it's going to give you an opportunity to make an extra income. For example, in network marketing company, one of the way of making money or earning your income is through selling. So if you are going to be good, or you are going to learn about to sell, then you have a chance to sell different products. For example, there are people who are looking for products on how to lose weight, products for losing weight, and network marketing companies have some of these products. There are people who are looking for different food supplements depending on their condition, and you have a chance to sell to them and make a profit. Also, another way of making money in network marketing is by sharing this business opportunity to other people, and those who are going to join, you have a commission, or you have a bonus you are going to earn. So those are some of the ways you are going to be making your money if you're going to join a network marketing business. Almost finishing up. Maybe you are asking yourself, can you do this business? Has someone else done this business? Maybe just to share with you about a story of one of my friends and a colleague, a person that I've seen growing and joining this business. When you see the life of Meshach joined one of the Kenyan Police Military Department. And just like any other person who has joined a military or who has get a job, you give yourself that I'm going to work, I'm going to do my best to actually give back to the community or give back to my organization. When Meshach joined the military, he found that job very interesting, but however later on he realized that there are some of the challenges that comes up with being in this profession. But one day, as he was in his line of duty, a friend of him invited him to this opportunity, and Meshach, without hesitation, he grabbed this opportunity. And few months down the line, Meshach changes his way of doing the business and decide to become a full-timer. And if you look at Meshach today, he has actually able to build a business of many other entrepreneurs, many other people have joined his team, and today Meshach is doing this business full time. In fact, he even quitted being as a police, and now is doing this business as a full timer. So what I'm trying to say here is, there are people who have actually joined this business from military or from police level, and they have succeeded. So you are not going to join and fail. Once you follow the trainings, you follow the mentorship, then you have a guarantee that you are going to succeed in this business. These are some of the benefits you are going to get when you actually join a network marketing company. What you just need to find out is the legitimate of the company and how are you going to work. However, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact down in the description section down below. Reach out to me, ask me any question you want to know about this kind of business, or what you think, in case you have just found something informative in this video. Otherwise, I want to thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and waiting you at the other side as I'm ready to train you, coach you, and mentor you into network marketing business.